Welcome to Impact Headlines. Trump faces lawsuit over National Guard deployment following LA riots. China's deflation deepens amid price wars. The Eurozone marks strong growth since 2022. The governor of California, Gavin Newsom, has announced plans to sue Donald Trump for deploying 2,000 National Guard troops without state approval during unrest in Los Angeles. The clashes followed federal raids on undocumented migrants, sparking property damage and injuries. Newsom claims the deployment endangered lives, while Trump defends the action as necessary to restore order amid ongoing immigration enforcement. Impact on Sri Lanka. The US is Sri Lanka's largest export market, with 2024 exports hitting $2.9 billion, led by apparel at over 70%. Political unrest in the US risks economic stability, threatening Sri Lanka's export revenue. Earlier this month, Sri Lanka was invited by the US for the next round of trade discussions aimed at reducing tariffs and reinforcing economic ties. Chinese consumer prices fell for the fourth consecutive month in May as stimulus measures failed to boost domestic demand. EV giant BYD's 30% price cuts fueled a vehicle price war, while Trump's tariffs worsened factory price deflation. JP Morgan forecasts a 4.8% growth in 2025, but deflation raises concerns for trade partners. Impact on Sri Lanka. A strong Chinese economy is crucial for foreign direct investments and tourism in Sri Lanka. China has been a key investor in large-scale projects such as the Colombo Port City and remains Sri Lanka's sixth largest tourist source market. Deflation and US tariffs may curb Chinese investments and tourist visits. The Eurozone economy expanded by 1.5% year-on-year in the first quarter of 2025, marking the highest growth since 2022. Among the member countries, Spain and Germany witnessed strong growth of 0.6% and 0.4% respectively. This resilience amid Trump's tariffs signals investor confidence. Going forward, the European Central Bank (ECB) is expected to take a more cautious approach to interest rates to avoid inflationary pressures. Impact on Sri Lanka. The Eurozone is a key market for both Sri Lankan exports and tourism. In the first 3 months of 2025, exports to the European Union reached $950 million, marking a 9.8% year-on-year growth. While economic growth in the EU is positive news, Trump's tariffs on the EU could threaten Sri Lanka's export earnings and tourist inflows. And that's the wrap for this week. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest developments in Sri Lanka.